What's up guys, and welcome to my channel about making money online through freelancing. And today we'll be talking about what you should do when someone responds to your proposal. When you get a successful proposal, what should you do? Before you continue, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bell notification icon, and the like to let YouTube know that I'm doing a great job. Thank you very much for watching each of my videos. I'm very grateful. Let's get into it right now. Also, special shout out to Mima. She sent me an email asking for some help with the Upwork. I gave her tips and she's doing well, and I feel like her success is my success, and that's what this channel is about. I just want to help. If I can help 1, 2, 3 people find some level of success, I'm very grateful. So shout out to her. Wish her all the best as well. So what do you have to do when your proposal gets that green light, gets that thumbs up, gets that response? There are two things that can happen in that scenario. One is if the person automatically orders, picks you, accepts the deal. That happens to me. It happened, I think my first ever gig, that's what happened. Automatically they accepted it and you can start working on the job. My second gig on Fiverr, that's the same thing. But certain gigs to enter inbox and say, hey, I saw a proposal, you are one of the shortlisted freelancers, and I would like to know more. Can you do this? What will you do with this? Can you give me a sample? The first scenario of them automatically giving you a job is fantastic. If that happens, great on you, great job. Start with the work, get the work done, over impress, over deliver, overachieve, and you're in the safe space. But the second, that's what this video is mostly going to focus about. How can you convince when you are in a shortlist? For example, in the football world, for the Everton job, there are like 3 people in the shortlist, and like everyone is saying Lampard impressed them the most in terms of the interview stage. So how can you impress the most in the interview stage? That's what I'm going to talk about. First of all, reply ASAP. Reply as soon as possible. Do not waste any time with your replies, because it shows how serious you are, it shows how responsive you are, it shows that you're ready to answer questions quickly. On Fiverr, they even punish people for not replying early. They give you a 1-hour window. If you don't reply in that 1-hour window, you may get a lower score. And if you get a lower score, you may not become a level 1, you may not promote to a level 2 or whatever. So replying early, it puts you in a positive light. The same goes to like customer service. If I send you a DM that, hey, I read that you do this, can you do this for me? And it takes 2 days for you to reply to me, I will not be impressed with that efficiency. So you should reply quickly. That's one thing you should do. Reply quickly. Hey, thank you for considering me for the job. I'm very grateful, and I'm here to answer any questions you have. I promise I'll do the best if you give me the opportunity. More often than not, they will give you the opportunity. 2, be ready to offer samples of your work. Be ready to do that. Some people ask that, hey, what samples? Can you share some samples of work for me to see how you work? Some people even go as far as, I'll give you a few, this exercise to do. You can do it for me for free to see if it works. That's a risky side. I do it at times I don't do it, but that's a bit risky because some buyers are really shady. And that we'll talk about that more in the 3rd stage of freelancing, which is established freelancer stage. Some are shady, so you have to get some samples ready to prove that you've done it before. 3, negotiate wisely. Some people enter audience and want you to reduce your price. I don't advise that. You've already bid with a price. Why are you trying to reduce the price further? But negotiate wisely. You know what you have to do is to get a job. And also you should be able to gauge if the person you're dealing with is a friendly type or is going to give you a lot of problems. If it's going to give you a lot of problems, you better stay away from the person, because a bad review is way worse than no review. So you have to have that friendly vibe. You have to feel like this relationship is working. Me and you, we click a lot. You know, that kind of feeling. When that happens, then you know that, okay, you have the green light to negotiate the price. Some people are very rude naturally, and it's better stay away from such people. So to keep this video short, these are the simple things you have to do, and then when you negotiate, when you talk to the person, eventually you will get the job. You are likely to get a job, and then it's up to you to over deliver. In the next videos, we'll be talking about stage 3 of freelancing. 3, that's the established freelancer stage, and that is where most of my videos are going to be on that, because you can be on this stage forever. You can make $5,000 a year, $10,000, $20,000 a year in this stage. People, if you want to be a main full-time freelancer, you can sit at this stage. This stage has the most videos, and once again, we have a lot to cover on that stage. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'm very, very grateful. See you on the next one. Peace.